Let's explore GitHub Pull Requests. This is a collaborative workflow for contributing code changes. GitHub Pull Requests are essential for team collaboration on coding projects. Let us define what a pull request is. A pull request is a method of submitting contributions to a project. You can request that someone review and merge your changes into their branch. The purpose of pull requests is to inform others about changes you've pushed to a branch in a repository. This facilitates code review and discussion before merging the changes. Here is the standard pull request workflow. The first step is to fork repository. Create a personal copy of someone else's project to work on. Then create branch. Make a new branch for your feature or bug fix. After that, make changes. Edit, add, or delete files to implement your changes. And finally, create PR. Submit a pull request for review and discussion. Let's start creating a pull request with step 1. Navigate to the GitHub repository you want to contribute to and click the fork button in the top right corner. Then clone your forked repository to your local machine using the git clone command. Here are some sample commands. First, clone your forked repository by running git clone followed by the repository's URL. Next, navigate to the repository directory by running the change directory command, followed by the repository name. Finally, add the original repository as upstream remote with the git remote add upstream command, followed by the repository URL. Let's move on to the next step. First, create a new branch for your feature or bug fix. Use a descriptive name that reflects the changes you're making. Next, implement your changes, additions, or fixes to the codebase. Keep commits focused and descriptive. Here are some sample commands. First, make sure you're on the main branch by running git checkout main. Next, create a new branch with the git checkout command flag b and the branch name like feature/add login page. Make changes to files. Check the status of your changes by running git status. Add your changes by running git add dot. Commit your changes with a descriptive message by running git commit with the flag m and the commit message. Let's look at the final step. Push your branch with the changes to your forked repository on GitHub. Next, navigate to your fork on GitHub. You'll see a prompt to create a pull request for the recently pushed branch. Here are some sample commands. Push your branch to your fork by running git push origin and the branch name like feature/add login page. You'll see output like create a pull request for the branch name on GitHub by visiting followed by the URL. Click the URL to create your pull request or navigate to your fork on GitHub and click compare and pull request. Here are the pull request form details you'll need to fill out. Provide a descriptive title like add login page with email validation. Provide a detailed description, answering what this pull request does, the changes made, screenshots if applicable, and related issues. For pull request description best practices, clearly explain the purpose of your changes. Reference related issues using keywords like fixes, closes, resolves. Include screenshots for user interface changes. And mention any testing you've performed. Let's understand the pull request review process. First, there are automated checks. Continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines run tests and code quality checks automatically when a pull request is submitted. Next, there is code review. Maintainers and team members review the code changes, looking for bugs, style issues, and improvements. Then, address the feedback by making the requested changes and pushing updates to the same branch. Finally, approval and merge happens once approved, and the pull request can be merged into the main codebase. Types of feedback include comments, which is general feedback that doesn't explicitly approve or request changes, and is useful for questions and suggestions. Request changes indicate that changes must be made before the pull request can be merged, and blocks merging until addressed. Approve indicates the code is ready to be merged and requires at least one reviewer before merging. Let's see how to update your pull request. After receiving feedback on your pull request, you'll need to make changes to address the comments. Here's how to update your existing pull request. Make sure you're on your feature branch by running git checkout followed by the branch name. Make the requested changes to your code. Add and commit your changes by running git addit, followed by git commit with a message. Push the changes to update your pull request by running git push origin and the branch name. Keep history clean by considering using interactive rebase to clean up your commit history before pushing updates. Respond to comments by replying to each review comment to show how you've addressed the feedback. Let's look at the best practices and resources for pull requests. Keep pull requests small and focused on a single issue or feature. Write clear, descriptive pull request titles and descriptions. Include tests for your changes when applicable. Review your own code before submitting the pull request. Keep your branch updated with the main branch. Some additional resources are GitHub Docs, GitHub Learning Lab, and GitHub Command Line Interface. Pull requests are the heart of collaborative development on GitHub. Happy contributing! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.